Hello, my name is Joel Fernandez, and today I'm going to talk about my wishes in the Unit 2 of English 6. I suppose that the human beings desire something that doesn't have. For example, in my case, I wish I had had a lot of friends in high school. I was not a social person. I remember that I only had a friend in high school. I remember his name was Salvador. Well, in other hands, I wish I played better soccer because I really like soccer. I really like watching soccer games or, for example, playing soccer in video games. But I was a terrible soccer player, so I could not continue with this career. Okay, I wish I spoke others language, for example, French or German. I really like Japanese. I think that is a exciting language. In other hands, I wish I traveled around the world, especially in Europe, because I really I really like um, visit important countries and cities. I wish I visited, for example, France and go to Paris, or visit Germany and go to Berlin, or maybe go to Spain and visit the Santiago Bernabeu stadium, that is the Real Madrid stadium. I really love Real Madrid. I am a fan, so that is so exciting. But I think that my most important wish is about my son, because um, I wish I live with my son. I am separate. Um, well, he live with his mother. That is normal. But I really wish um, I was with him. But well, that this is the life. Yes, that's the life. Um, well, that's all. So, thank you for your attention, and I see you the next time. Bye.